Hi, I'm John Panzica. I'm the Vice President for the Financial Services practice here at Switchin Data. Switchin Data launched a financial services practice to address today's trends and challenges in the electronic trading low latency marketplace. I've seen over the past few years how latency has become increasingly more important, and I've come to Switchin Data because of the strategic importance the data center plays in the low latency value chain. Equity trade volume is at an all-time high for several reasons. First being regulation. With Reg NMS and the best execution practices, trades must be executed to multiple liquidity sources. So that's reason number one. Reason number two has to do with electronic trading, specifically algorithmic trading, where 1% of the firms in the United States, financial firms that is, are trading algorithmically. Yet the volume that they generate represents 66% of all the trades on today's U.S. equity markets. Today's U.S. equity markets trade volume is at historic levels at a 5-day moving average around 12 billion shares a day, where compared to a year ago was around 7 billion. We've seen a significant increase in the size of market data. An independent report that was done last year suggested that market data was going to grow by 300% over the next 3 years. To date, we have seen that has grown by 150%, and that is directly attributed to the volume that's being driven through the equities and the equity options marketplaces, as well as exchanges are now catering to the electronic trader or the algorithmic trader and are launching additional feeds. These trends have placed a significant strain on the low latency value chain. For example, let's look at low latency connectivity. Firms are proactively working in those markets to provide better, faster, lower latency routes to all of the markets because it's in firm demand by the electronic traders. An important question that firms are asking themselves today is, where should I place my order execution platform or my ticker plant? Geographic proximity to the financial markets is very important, no matter what asset class you're trading in. With the trend of increased trade volume and increased market data sizes, firms are challenged from a hardware and software standpoint to scale their operation to comply with the low latency standards that they've set. This trickles down into also needing additional space and power for this equipment and having a scalable solution that'll be able to provide us the flexibility for today and for tomorrow. Switchin Data provides network-neutral data centers in strategic financial markets in North America, New York, Chicago, and Toronto. Our data centers have geographic proximity to the financial markets and are powered at the highest power densities in the industry, at 200 watts per square foot. I encourage anybody who's facing today's challenges to contact Switchin Data's financial services practice and discuss how we can help you.